Okay, so week 3 of the 4-week experimentation project is the analysis and the report. So in week 1, remember you collected all your data on your independent variables, so the health habits and their effect on your mood or energy. And in week 2, you narrowed that down to one specific independent variable and studied its effect on your mood or energy. And now we're going to compare week 1, which was the control condition, with week 2, which was the treatment condition. And so what you have to do is analyze and summarize the results, and there's some room over here. And write a summary of the results there. What do they suggest? And create a graph to illustrate it, and evaluate the study. So do you think your results are valid? And I should say results and conclusions. Are your conclusions valid, and why or why not? And then an extension activity could be to conduct inferential statistics on the results to see if they're statistically significant. And then you're going to present your findings in a project in any of these forms, right? So you could write a report or a podcast, infographic, brochure, video, or a blog post. And just remember, this is how I'm just doing it for my students, and so you're welcome to. I'm talking to teachers here. If you want to adapt this for your students in some way, you can do that there. But yeah, that's simply it. Oh, and then here is another reflection. So throughout this project, I like to get students to reflect on something they've learned in the course, and this is especially, I'm doing this for my grade 12s who are about to graduate. Their exams have just been cancelled, and they've done their IAs, and so they want to see how they think something might be useful for the future, and one of the concepts that they've learned. Or alternatively, they could summarize something that they think has been absolutely useless and they'll never use again, and why. And there's space somewhere for reflection. There isn't, so I need to add some space here for a reflection. All right, and then that's week 3. Week 3 is basically doing the analysis and the report.